Page 85, Prelude number 4 is at the bottom of the page. 3/8 time, and this is in the key of E minor. 1 sharp E minor, okay. An eighth note gets a count here. So just slowly, it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and it's here, and then the thumb plays that B. Here. Now that's a dotted quarter note. You're going to hold it down for 3 beats. But this is just a 16th note. That's an F sharp there. And then you second finger or thumb, either one on the left hand. See? Moderately soft and moderato, whatever you feel of. Moderate speed, the feel of it has to be a moderate speed. Not the beat, the feel. So it's something. I don't know what your moderato is. You decide what it is. Then it starts out moderately soft, whatever that is, sort of soft. Now there's a tenuto on that. Means hold it out, linger on that. Don't cut it short, really. Just. Crescendo up to about a moderately loud, and don't get loud on it, just then come back down. Actually, you can come down to a soft if you want, because it's the end, especially when you repeat it, because you don't want to play it twice the same way. You alter it a little bit. Maybe the second time, this would be a good time if you wanted to put the soft, if you're on a grand piano, put the soft pedal down on the repeat, because that changes the tone, and play the whole thing with, you don't have to play it soft just because you use the soft pedal. Because the soft pedal really changes the tone. It doesn't have to make it. If you have an upright and all your soft pedal does is make it softer, then there's no point in using the soft pedal. But if you're on a grand where it changes the tone color, then you can do that because it changes the tone. That's an idea, but change something up. Do something different. Other things you can try maybe with the articulation. Here, put an accent on it. Just change something. So, or maybe you don't decrescendo at the end the second time. Maybe you stay loud the second time. I don't know. I'm just trying to give you some ideas of things to change.